Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to delete shortcut for interaction control in Samsung Galaxy S22. So first of all we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next, in interaction and dexterity we have our interaction control. What does it do? Block touches for the back, home and recent buttons, the keyboard and a selected area of the screen. And here we have a longer explanation and we have our shortcut here. We can of course change our shortcut, we can have both options or a single one, but we have to have one if we have our our shortcut enabled. So we can turn it off from here, and that's basically it. Shortcut is gone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.